Sit with me for a moment. If pain were sitting beside you right now, what would you do? Would you push it away? Argue with it? Or curse it for ruining your peace? For most of my life, I did exactly that. As a young monk, I believed enlightenment meant a life without pain. I thought peace was something you reached only after suffering disappeared. But one winter morning, sitting alone in silence, with the cold seeping through my robes, I realized something that changed everything. Pain was still there. And yet, I was calm. That day, I learned a truth I want to share with you today. Pain is not your enemy. Your resistance to it is. We are taught to avoid pain at all costs. We chase comfort as if it were salvation. But comfort does not make us wise. It makes us numb. Pain, on the other hand, wakes us up. When my teacher lost his sight, I expected him to be angry. Instead, he smiled more than ever. I asked him, "Does it not hurt to lose what you once had?" He replied, "It hurts only if I believe life owes me permanence." Think about your own life. The moments that shaped you most, were they easy? Or were they the moments when life broke you open? Pain refines us, the way fire refines gold. So, the next time pain knocks on your door, do not slam it shut. Invite it in. Sit with it. Learn from it. Because pain was never your enemy. It was preparing you for a deeper peace.